Yeah, check it out. Now throw it up and roll. Hit the elbow. Now hit the quad. Take it down real low. Slide left, right, and do the muscle man. Wave it to the right. Push it up with your hands. Step, dab, step, dab, step, dab, step, dab. Drop it to the back, then take it to the front. Now, Millie, rock, Millie, rock. Do the orange justice real fast. Don't stop. All you gotta do is just have a good time, and I like it when you just do your dance, do your dance. You can wave it up high, even break it down low. Either way, you just gotta do your dance, do your dance now. Freestyle, freestyle. Just do it like you do it when you do it. Freestyle, freestyle. Just do it when you do it. Yo, all right, you ready to do it one more time? See if you can remember the whole dance. Here we go, yo. Now throw it up and roll. Hit the elbow. Now hit the quad. Take it down real low. Slide left, right. Do the muscle man. Wave it to the right. Push it up with your hands. Step, dab, step, dab, step, dab, step, dab. Drop it to the back. Then take it to the front. Now, Millie, rock, Millie, rock. Do the orange justice real fast. Don't stop. Hey, all you gotta do is just have a good time, and I like it when you just do your dance, do your dance. You can wave it up, I'll even break it down low, but either way, you just gotta do your dance, do your dance.